Suppose there's a mirror and it is covered with a thick layer of dust. You will not be able to see yourself in that mirror clearly. Likewise, right now your mind is filled, it is coated with a thick layer of dust. So you cannot see your own true potential, your highest potential, your own divinity. But when you clear away that thick layer of dust from the mirror, you see yourself so clearly. So when you clear away the dust from the mirror, from the mind, you will be able to see your own potential. You will be able to see what all wonders that you can create and what all you are capable of. Hello, my name is Jyoti and I am so grateful to you for sharing this energy with me and being here and for your time and everything. And if you are somebody who is new to my channel, please subscribe to it. And if you are somebody who already follows me, likes my videos, shares my work, watches my video, thank you so much. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about, in fact, we are going to be learning about how to meditate. And I'm going to give you this really powerful technique, this one technique that can change the way, if you were, meditating, it will change entirely how you were meditating. And if you are somebody who is new, it can powerfully benefit you. Like, you may take, it took me I think 1.5 years to reach this, and I'm sharing this with you, so it's like really powerful. So why you should meditate? First of all, I'm just going to take 2 minutes to explain why. It's because like we as child, we were born divine, we were born with love, harmony, and we were one with the God. And when you are one with the God, with the spirit, with the universe, that means you are aware of your power. Because when you are one with the power of God, you can create anything, you can draw any reality from the universe towards yourself. You can create, because they say intelligence inside you. It is not outside of you, it is inside of you. You have to tune in, and in order to tune in into that well of divine intelligence, creativity, ideas, the well of wealth and richness, you have to clear away that dust. So when you meditate, you clear away that dust from your mind and you become one with that. You already are one with that. It's just that thick layer of dust has created the separateness. So the part of meditation is that it allows you to let go. And there are certain unconscious patterns, unconscious self-beliefs and limitations that you are carrying, which you are also not aware of right now. But when you meditate, you become aware of them and you also let go of them. So you should, every single person that you look up to, they all talk about meditation, the kind of wonders it has done to them, and it has done wonders to me. I was underconfident, I was like everything, wherever you are, I feel you, I was there. I had like such poverty mindset, I would not believe in myself, I would not speak up for myself and everything, but now it is like I am totally transformed. And also is that I can talk about it a lot, but unless you don't do it yourself and you don't experience it yourself, you can never know, because you don't know how sugar tastes unless you actually taste it. You can read about it, you can listen about it, I can tell you how sugar tastes, but unless you do not eat it, you will not know it. So you have to eat sugar. Likewise, you have to meditate to know how it actually is, because it is wonderful. The kind of wonders it do to you, it's grand, But when you first start to do meditation, don't go into it with any expectation. Go it with an empty mind. Go it with because then you are open to it. Because when you go into something with the perception, you become guarded and you don't allow the magic that it can bring you, because you have certain perception that this and this is going to happen, and but because it's the what can happen, it's it's grand, it can't be counted, because it has done wonders, different kind of wonders to people. So when you first starting, I don't know what's wrong with my, but anyway, when you are first starting to meditate, start with 20 minutes. Whenever somebody says start with 5 minutes, I mean, yes, if you just can't do it, and so just if start with any minute and then you can increase the time. But why I say this is because suppose if I ask you to spend time with your lover for 5 minutes every single day, at the end of 30th day you will think that you don't know the person, because in the starting you have to spend more time with it, you have to go deeper, know the person deeper, and then at the end of 30th day, if you spend more time with the person, you can then start spending lesser time, because now you know. Similarly, start meditating with minimum of 20 minutes so that you can go deeper into it. It's not how much you meditate, it's how deep you go into it. And so this technique that I'm going to share with you, it is to make you go deeper into it, deeper into the meditation, because you have to dive deep in yourself, because that's where the well of joy is. So sit, you will try it with me. So when we start meditating, 2-3 things that I would like you to remember is, when you start meditating, your job is to just observe your breath. Your job is just to observe your breath. That is all. You don't have to silence the chatter, you don't have to do anything, you just have to keep coming back to your breath. That is all. Yes, you have to silence the chatter of the mind to go deeper into the practice of meditation, to connect to the divine, but you do it through breath, because your breath is keeping you alive, it is giving you life. If breath is not there, it is connecting you to the divine. It is connecting you to the life which comes from the infinite source. It is connecting you to that. And if it goes, your connection with that will break. So you have to just stay connected to your breath. Keep observing your breath. When you meditate, you close your eyes and you would like to focus on your breath. A lot of thoughts will come and you have to let them, and you might wander into the thought, but you don't have to get frustrated or like, why I'm doing this and that, I can't do this. It's okay, you wander, just keep coming back to your breath again, then you will again wander, then it will keep coming back to, and it will keep happening, because it will keep happening, because that for 22 years of, suppose I started meditating at 22, for 22 years of my life I was learning how to be distracted. I was learning distraction. Right now in meditation I am learning concentration. So in order to unlearn that 22 years of program, it will take time, so you have to be patient. But the technique that I'm sharing with you is like really powerful, it actually, if you are consistent with it, you are going to, right now we will do it in few minutes, you will see the powerful effects that you're going to experience. But I'm just giving you few points. One is to just, your work is just to keep coming back to your breath, not get frustrated by yourself by wandering into the thoughts, not get frustrated, angry, or curse yourself for it. Just keep coming back to your breath over and over again. It's okay, everything is okay, everything is fine. Just keep coming back to your breath. So with this technique, for first 10 minutes you have to, we'll practice it for some time, but then when you practice it for your own, for 10 minutes do the technique that I'm sharing, and then for next 10 minutes just observe your breath. So the technique is, you have to inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds. So it's like you will inhale and then in your mind you will count 1, 2, 3, 4. You hold your breath, you will count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you exhale, you will count 1, 2, 3, 4. While exhaling, you will exhale for 4 seconds and then you hold for 4 seconds again. And you can try it with me right now. Sit comfortably, or if you are standing, I would say that sit comfortably, and then lose your, like if you're wearing something tight on your belly, just lose it up. Like if you're wearing pants, open the buttons and like keep it light, because you're going to breathe, and you would like to breathe fully. So I'm going to count for 4 seconds. You will inhale for 4 seconds, you will hold for 4 seconds, you will exhale for 4 seconds, and then you will hold for 4 seconds. So start. Close your eyes, calm down. You don't have to go anywhere right now. You don't have to be anywhere right now. You just have to be here. And you just have to follow the instructions and just concentrate on your breath. Everything can be done later. You have this few minutes to be with your breath. Inhale for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can now allow your breath to come to its natural pace. Keep focused on it. Keep your focus on your breath. Observe your breath going down into the belly while you're inhaling and coming out through your nose while you're exhaling. You can continue with your meditation if you'd like to, and if you're deeper into it, I would leave in a while, and all I would like you to remember is keep coming back to your breath. Even if your mind wanders, it's okay, allow it to be. Just keep coming back to your breath, and you are all right, and it is safe for you to be with your breath, to sit with your breath. Everything is okay. You are safe, you are perfectly all right, everything is good, everything is taken care of you in every way, in every situation. There's nothing to be afraid of. God is with you all the time, and He's taking care of you. You can relax, you can have this moment with your breath, you can sit with it as much as you like. And make it a priority every day when you are going to sleep and as soon as you wake up, 20 minutes to sit with your breath. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much.